Hi! Welcome to Lisby Kitchen. Today we are going to make soya chunks white kurma. White kurma is a popular Chettinad delicacy made with mixed vegetable. It's a great substitute for non-veg lovers as soya chunks resembles and taste meat. This kurma is truly an easy to cook dish and can be made in minimum time. So please go through the entire video, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notification. Okay, let us move on to the recipe. The main ingredient for making this kurma is soya chunks. Here I took 1 cup of soya chunks. I boiled soya chunks in water with a pinch of salt. It cooked completely and put off the flame and rinse it in the cold water. Here I am using half cup of fresh green peas along with soya chunks. It gives a variety taste to this kurma. It is not a must. Here 1 sliced onion, 2 green chilies, few curry leaves, 1 chopped tomato, few coriander leaves, half lemon, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. For seasoning, we are using 1 bay leaf, 4 to 5 cloves and 2 petals of star anise, 1 green cardamom. This is black stone flour. This is a special ingredient. This is not a must, but this flavor enhances the taste of this kurma. For the thickness of the gravy, we are using 3 by 4 cup of grated coconut, 1 inch piece of ginger and 5 cloves of garlic. Green chilies are used to spice up the kurma. If you want more spiciness, you can add more. Here I took 4 green chilies. Here 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and half teaspoon of khaskhas, 6 cashew nuts, 1 teaspoon of roasted gram dal. Required water, 1 teaspoon of salt, sunflower oil. We boil soya chunks early, so now it is cooled down. Rinse once more in cold water. Completely squeeze the water. Keep aside. We are going to use the same pot. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of oil. This is an important step which you never avoid because there are some water content inside the soya chunks even if we squeezed it. When we roast this for some time, the water content will go so. This is enough. 2 to 3 minutes I roasted chunks in high flame. Keep aside the roasted chunks. Now we are going to make kurma. For that, heat some oil in a pan. First, we fry the slitted green chilies, fennel seeds, khaskhas, now add ginger, garlic, grated coconut, gram dal and cashews. Now fry the whole things for a minute in low flame without changing the color. Otherwise the color of the kurma becomes dark. This is enough. I am going to put off the flame. Let it cool for some time. I am transferring the roasted things into a blender. Add some water. Grind it to a smooth fine paste. Keep aside. Now heat some more oil in a pan. Add bay leaf and other tempering ingredients. Now add sliced onion, curry leaves and slitted green chilies. Saute onion till it becomes translucent. Saute only for 2 minutes in low flame. Now add fresh green peas. Saute for few seconds. Add finely chopped tomatoes. Cook when the tomatoes are well cooked. Close with a lid. Stir in between. The tomatoes are well cooked. Now we are adding the ground paste. Fry it well for 2 minutes in low flame without changing the color. Now rinse the blender jar with a cup of water. Add this water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well. Cook this in low flame for about 5 minutes until the raw smell of coconut goes off. It is cooked for 5 minutes. Now I am adding the cooked soya chunks. Mix well. Let it cook for another 5 minutes in low flame. Then the taste of gravy masala will get into the soya chunks. Now switch off the flame. Now squeeze the lemon. Now mix well. This is a delicious, rich, creamy, white colored kurma relished with chapati, parathas, even with rice. Finally, sprinkle the coriander leaves.